Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back again to another brand new video. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a breakdown video. This amazing trade that I sent out to the group. So this is the trade that straight in it. Let's just jump straight to it, right? I caught this trade down to here, about 240 pips, right? Easy peasy. I sent the trade. Let me guys show you. So this is the trade idea. Initially, I was not on my desk when this setup started forming. So I sent this picture from my phone to group members, and I told them GG short trade idea, right? A few hours later, this happened, right? This happened a few hours later, and these are the results, right? Made about $9,700 on this trade. Nothing too crazy. It definitely had bigger trades, but I just want to talk to you and show you guys how I was able to form and to find this setup, right? The previous 2 days on the daily time frame closed below the level, right? When the previous day closed below this weekly resistance that I have, right? I knew well, not for a fact. I don't want to say for a fact, because a fact is a big statement and anything could happen. But the previous day closed below this weekly resistance. That's confluence number one. Confluence number two, this 0% was also used as a resistance, right? You can even throw moving averages were relevant on a daily, but 4 hour time frame, they were kind of relevant. As you see, they were far away from it, and the market was making lower lows and lower highs. So if I show you guys here, even on 4 hour time frame, the market was making lower highs. As you see, boom, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, bang, lower low. So that's where I started. That's exactly where I started selling this market, and that's when I sent the position, right? And the reason why I didn't get stopped out here is because I knew this was gonna be like a quick fake out, right? So when one candle closes above, the resistance is not broken. The 2 candles must close above for it to be completely broken. So I was still in the positions, a bit of drawdown here, but I was confident, and the fact that we respected this low, this high here, gave me confident that this market is just retesting this high here, collecting some orders for a massive sellout. And once that happened, I was like, I'm super confident, and started even selling it more. Right, I will even show you guys like, I'll put the screenshot on the screen. Let me actually do this, right? Hold on. Why does this never focus? Like, I don't get it. It's like focused on my face. Anyway, you guys can see blue, and the GJ sells. I'll put the screenshot on the screen so you guys can see. But yeah, so first, the reason why I was also targeting here is because this was a daily support. You can see market respected it here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and I was expecting the market to come back to this area for then continue the buy. So on daily Fibonacci, on the second chart that I use a lot, so I started selling it from this point down to there. So 4 hour time frame. Oh, I haven't updated this in a while, actually. So as you can see, 4 hour time frame has flipped from bearish to bullish. So what you can do is restart your fib from the low to the high. Boom, 38.2 completed. Move it up, bang. This didn't make a 38.2, meaning that this did. Boom, TP got hit, bang, straight down to so yeah, if after the negative 27% got hit, a lot of take profit has been taken off the market, so the market kind of comes back down to the 0%. So what you can do is actually move it now here and wait for a 38.2, which we did get right here. So I would start buying this market. We have beautiful structure on the 4 hour. You can see we have a structure here, and the market kind of closed just above and or on. So I'm really interested to see how the market performs in the next few days. next week. Today is Sunday, so market opens in a few hours. But yeah, a lot of people were buying this market around, especially after this bullish engulfing, but I did not like it. Even one of my students was in a buy actually right here. He was buying, and then I said, honestly, I don't see it, I'm actually selling. And then I was like, trust your mentor. And then obviously I sent him the picture, and these were the sales, and this is the drop, and that's where exactly I closed. I didn't see it when the market was down here, just because I just didn't see it. I wasn't on my phone, and when I opened my phone, the market was around there, and that's when I closed. So still very happy about the trade. Very successful trade, very straightforward and very simple. So if you guys haven't noticed, like, look at my charts. Yeah, it's very simple and clean, right? A few lines, nothing too extra. Just, you can see how the market moves from one line to the other. Respected, boom. Respected, boom. Respected, boom. Respected, boom. Respect. Like, it's very simple and very straightforward. If you are confused, if you're confused, if you don't know where the market is going, just clear your charts, zoom out, and just put on what actually matters. Don't just put stuff on just because you saw somebody else put it. So yeah, just a quick little breakdown for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see more of these, make sure you leave a like, comment, and without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.